System Security Breach, a presentation by Anthony Roberson. Never should you go back to the old system. With the digitizing of all healthcare networks, the mobility factor is key. Workers need to be interconnected and communicate seamlessly for optimal system functioning. The organization must also benefit from the integrative and improved benefit of patient standard of care. If the new system has already been compromised, chances are the old system was already compromised with a lack of user knowledge. With the delicate nature of mental health care information, equal to any other protected health information or PHI, covered entities or CEs are responsible for their protection. Violation of HIPAA standards can be costly. HIPAA, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996, is United States legislation that provides data privacy and security provisions for safeguarding medical information. In 2018, Judge Stephen Kessel upheld a $4.3 million penalty on an internationally recognized healthcare provider when one of their unencrypted laptops was stolen. Regardless of the breach, if the breach was malicious, accidental, or from an outside entity, covered entities are totally responsible for client privacy protection. How to confidently protect sensitive information. Enlist the use of my HIPAA certified program, complete with compliance and regulatory experience, consistent relationship with influential government actors, and a proven track record. Implementation of Absolute's patented persistent technology. Once activated, Absolute provides you with a reliable two-way connection so you can see and control every device on your network, putting you in total command and able to protect all electric PHI. Complete identification of unauthorized and authorized hardware and software. It helps you identify authorized and unauthorized hardware and software. Direct connection to HIPAA compliance teams. Absolute delivers endpoint data protection and automation to eliminate compliance failures. IT and security teams rely on Absolute for asset intelligence, automated endpoint hygiene, and continuous compliance, powered by Absolute persistence technology embedded in their device firmware.